What's good, everybody on YouTube? This is your boy Akil McLeod, and I'm a full-time eBay and PoshMark seller. And this is my beautiful fiance, Dominique.
I want to say it like him, so let me practice. Ready? What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your girl, actually his girl, Dominique, soon to be McLeod, and I'm the fiance of a full-time eBay and PoshMark seller.
That was good. I like that one.
Okay.
Today I got a brand new thrift store haul featuring some maybe about 20 pieces that I picked up from the thrift store over the past couple of days. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first up is this pair of Michael Toshi golf shoes, and this is my first time selling this brand, but it definitely stood out to me because the bottom was red, and it just had some minor scuffs and some minor scratches, but this is something that I can clean and I could probably cover up with some whitening solution. So these definitely sell somewhere between 45 and 55 bucks, and I only paid $7 for these, so that should be some good profit there as well.
Okay, and next up we have these fossil glasses. These are so nice. Let me show you. So how much these sell for, Akil?
They're like maybe 70, 80 bucks.
70, 80, what you think?
You look like the feds.
Don't call me that. What y'all think?
Like the feds.
Cute. So about 70, 80 bucks, that's not bad. Good find, Akil.
Thank you very much. Next up is this Schlesinger & Brothers vintage briefcase, and this one was kind of rough when I picked it up, but I threw some brown leather shoe polish on here to kind of buff up the scratches, just try to make it a little more presentable so it can sell. And this is my first time selling this brand as well, but just checking the comps, I saw some that sold for about 120, and since this one is a little rough, this one should probably sell somewhere between 40 and I want to say 60 bucks for this one.
Let me see this. I'm gonna have to borrow this. Put that on my side. That is nice.
And next we have a pair of tall brown leather lucky boots for women, and I also picked these up for about 6 or 7 bucks maybe 2 or 3 days ago, and these are a size 7, and after checking the comps I saw some sell for as high as 40 bucks, so I think I seen some for 55 bucks as well, but these have some minor scuffs on the front, so after I use the shoe polish these will probably look good as new, but I'm thinking these should sell somewhere between maybe 40 or 50 dollars.
Or they can go in my closet too.
You don't even wear size 7.
These too small, but these are nice. Very nice. I will wear them if I could fit them. And next up, Akil found this really nice video camera. It is a Canon Vixia HV10 HD. Yeah, look, you can flip the screen and all. And then it even comes with this little battery pack. How much will this go for?
I don't remember. I think I saw comps for those for like 80 somewhere, maybe between 80 and $100. But when I picked up the camera, it didn't even have the battery charger for it. So when I picked it up, it was kind of a risk, but it was super clean, and it was only like $9 or $10 I paid for the camera. And then when I got the charger, I realized that it worked. So with the camera and the charger, I'm like $16 all in, $16, and it should sell for like I said, somewhere between 80 and 100.
And we should show them the footage. Akil had to test it out. He was walking around the house like this. What's good, everybody? Come here, dummy. We should add that footage to this video.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw that
but
in
it's
there.
pretty.
What's good, my people? Yeah.
It's pretty crispy, so it's a good camera. So good find. Next up, we have, well, Akil has this Canon camera. It's a PowerShot SX50HX. That's a lot. Camera people, y'all know what all that means. But all I like to see, they got the screen that pops out. That's so nice. I think he paid, what, $10 for this? So the story behind this is it's brand new in the box. Well, not brand new, but it's in the box. Has everything in there except for a battery.
Yeah, so I ended up getting the battery from eBay, because usually people will get stuff off of Amazon, but I prefer, since I do business on eBay, I prefer, you know, spending money if it comes to getting accessories or shipping supplies. I prefer just getting my stuff off of eBay. So I got the battery for about $7, and it should be here on Friday. So the camera itself sells for about 200 bucks. So with the battery, as long as everything works out, I should get somewhere between 180, maybe $200 for this camera. Especially since it has the box and the CD and everything else. It even has the charger, but it just didn't have a battery. So like I said, all in I should get somewhere between $180 to $200.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to clean it up a little bit. It's a little dusty in there. Yeah, but that's okay.
Little crumbs, cookie crumbs and shit. And next is one of my favorite things to sell on eBay, and this is some printer ink, and this is Epson 786 XL, and I paid $2 for this one. And the main thing to do when you're trying to sell ink, expired ink also sells fairly well, but it takes a little longer to sell and the profit margins isn't as high. But this one expires on September 2019, so this one should definitely bring in somewhere between $30 and $40 for this one. And I love selling ink on eBay because it's just easy to take pictures of. You literally take a picture of the front, the back, maybe a couple pictures of the side, and then you're all good to go. And of course shipping is only first class, so it's only like $2 to $3 to ship that out. So shipping out printer ink is always something good to do, especially if you're a clothing seller like me, but you want to diversify your store. Selling things like cameras and printer ink is just something easy that you can, you know, throw into your inventory and just make some extra money too. Next is this Adidas Liverpool jacket, and this one was in amazing condition. It had some minor little signs of wear on the white, but I mean, that's really not too big of a deal. I probably can get some of those minor stains out, but this one is definitely, like I said, it's kind of rare too, so it could sell somewhere between $50 and $60. But this is the Liverpool Carlsberg soccer team or football team, whatever you want to call it. But this one I picked this up for about $6, and it should sell fast because this is the season when people are usually picking up stuff like this.
That's nice. Okay, next up we have this North Face fleece jacket. We bought this for about $4, $5, something like that, and it should sell for about $30. And like Akil said, how many?
Yeah, about 30.
Yeah, about $30. And like Akil said, it's the season for this. I'll give you that. Let's try it on. It's true to size.
See, now that's the problem, because when you start trying it on, you're gonna want it.
Ooh, that's nice. let's look it up. Oh yeah.
So it's just a little linty, so I'm gonna just use my sweater shaver that I picked up a few months ago, and I had that featured in one of my other thrift store hauls. And I'm just gonna get rid of some of the lint, some of that peeling and the fuzz, and it should look brand as new.
Brand as new. This is good. Too bad it's so hot here. I'm sweating just putting it on right now. Okay, next up we have this Patagonia windbreaker. I swear people love this stuff. I ain't never heard of Patagonia until Akil started selling this stuff. But people be buying these things left and right. People buy them so much that I start to notice some people wearing Patagonia now. Anyway, so this little windbreaker, well, we bought this for about $6.
Yeah.
$6. It'll probably sell for about between $40 and $45.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Next is this vintage Gap leather jacket, and I picked this up maybe last week, and I think I paid maybe $2 or $3 for this one. And the only thing that's wrong with it, I think I just need to get some of the lint out from the inside of the jacket. But this is vintage, so it's definitely in style right now. A lot of people probably will be looking for something just like this, and there's no holes and no stains or anything like that. So this should definitely sell somewhere between, I want to say maybe $80 to $100, but I'm gonna check the comps just to see. But I think something like this might sell a little faster on PoshMark because it's vintage, and you know, it's kind of more trendy right now. So somebody from PoshMark might find this very, very interesting and just pick it up.
Somebody's dad gonna be flying that, ain't they? That's a fly dad coat right there.
That's why it was. That's why it came from somebody's dad.
All right, that's fly. So next up is this FedEx jacket. You heard me right, FedEx, like the company. Akil was trying to be this for Halloween, but I told him no, so he had picked it up anyway. No, I'm just joking. So he had picked it up for about $5, and then they should sell for about $40. It's really clean. Somebody probably didn't like their job, I don't know, but whatever. It ended up in the thrift store, and we got it. So yeah, pretty clean, no holes, no tears. It's a nice little windbreaker, so anybody working for FedEx, this would be a good little deal for you. So I'm sure your company gonna charge you a lot more for this.
Right, and it's crazy because you would think something like FedEx, you wouldn't donate a FedEx jacket like this, but just checking the comps, there was tons of these that were sold. So clearly, a lot of people are selling their old FedEx jackets. So it sells for good money. So if you guys see them in your thrift stores, pick them up, whether it's FedEx, UPS, or whoever. DoorDash, Uber, all that shit. Next up is this Striker jacket, and Striker is actually like a off brand of Spider. and it says Striker by Spider, and this is a women's ski jacket, so this is actually the perfect time to sell stuff like this. Honestly, I picked this up a long time ago, maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, but I was kind of holding on to it because I wanted to make sure that I sold it during the right season. So I don't think there's any stains or any tears or anything like that on this, and I know I picked this up on sale, so I only got this for I think $4. So this should definitely sell fast. Hopefully it sells fast, because I already had it for over a month, so I'm hoping that it sells, you know, within at least 2 to 3 days after I list it.
That's clean. Okay, next up we got these Lululemon workout pants. So a little bit about this. I've been trying to work out again, so maybe this would motivate me. Maybe not, I don't know yet. But anyway, something special about Lululemon. Akil, I remember he came home, he was like, oh shoot, I can't find a size tag, da da da. And then we realized that inside the little pocket where you could put your phone and things, it has a size. So these are size 4, and they're also reversible. So you know, anytime you see Lululemon and you can get it for a good price, you should definitely grab it, because I know lately the thrift store has been trying to raise the price on Lululemon just because it's Lululemon. But yeah, anytime you can find it for a good price, you should grab it. I think we got these, well, Akil got these for about
$4 or $5.
About $4, and they could go for about $30. Right?
Something like that. Yeah.
Something like that, 30, 35, something. You know, maybe
more like $20 to $30, because there's a lot of them online, so they don't really sell as high. But I mean, the reversible ones, the reversible crop ones, I've seen them sell for like $30. So
yeah, so that's nice. And then here's another pair, same thing, same little spiel. Lululemon workout pants. Again, you're not sure of size. Wow, look in that little pocket. These are size 6. Yeah. How much the same still for the same thing?
Yeah, sell for about the same thing.
Where did I have the tag at? Where did I have the tag at? Oh, huh? This tag is on the leg. I was about to say, wait, these might not be Lululemon. They might be Lulu Orange.
That was terrible. That was terrible.
Anyway, so yeah, get some good money for these. Probably about 20 to 30 for each. So good money.
And next up is these pair of J. Crew shorts, and they have like, yeah, these is pretty big. These are size 38 waist.
Akil used to wear that size. That was his old pants.
These are my old pants, but I just never got around to wearing them. That's why the tag's still on them. But I picked these up for $4.99, and at first I wasn't gonna buy shorts because, of course, you know, summertime is over. But in my last thrift store, I think I was telling you guys the stuff that what sold. I'm still selling shorts, so people probably going on vacation and stuff like that. So I'm thinking these shorts myself about $30, maybe 25, something like that, because original price was $60 for these. So we'll see how much they go for.
These are some vacation pants too.
Yeah. And last but not least is this Peter Millar Summer Comfort golf polo shirt, and I sell a ton of these golf polo shirts, whether it's in the winter, whether it's in the summer. These always sell. So definitely be on the lookout for Peter Millar Summer Comfort. And another good thing to look out for is if they have any little emblem on the chest or on the sleeve, because that's usually like a distinction for certain golf clubs. And usually guys really don't care what the golf club is, they just want some kind of crest on the chest or the sleeve. So these sell somewhere between like 25 and $30, and I got this for I think $4, so that should be a good sale right there. Alright y'all, that's all I have for today's video. So if you guys enjoyed that one, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And if you didn't like it, still smash that like button. You know, just support the channel because it goes a long way.
Yeah, so this is my first time being on channel. I mean, I watch all his videos. Obviously, I hear him making all the videos anyway. But I'm just so proud of him and all you guys for watching his videos. Thanks for the support. And keep thrifting and doing all that reselling stuff, because it's huge. It is huge. And don't give up. So if you want me to be in the next video, you gotta smash that like button.
Hey guys, so if y'all want her in no more videos, smash that like button. You know, throw that in the comment section. Let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh, we did it at the same time.